even see?
Yeah, you just check for me.
Nah, I believe you. No, it's not.
Yes, it is, because I'm cutting these off.
Wait, what's this?
It's got the awning poles in it.
Oh, random. I think it's very safe to stick the drills in the water.
I'm not putting the whole drill in the water. I'm just putting the bit.
Well, that's what I said. You said, yup.
Oh, you realised that I meant just the bit.
Well, then it's full of bubbles. How do you know?
Oh, this is heavy enough. You can go right there. Much better, much cleaner. Plug that bad boy in. Don't blow up.
Have you plugged it in before?
Oh, it doesn't fit because of the
Rubber thing.
Damn. I needed to cut the sides off so it fits in the plug, because this one has that little lip, so see if it fits. It's like an extra large bottom plug. I don't think it would fit anyway. I need to find a proper cord. So I guess I'm not plugging it in. Yeah, I need to figure out what kind of cord actually plugs into it, because it's not these kind.
Now it's started.
Okay, now that we're filming, we're gonna head to the shops and we're gonna get some, what are we getting? Power cord. We're gonna get a power cord so we can plug the Caravan in and charge the battery, because we think it's flat, or at least use the lights inside. And we're gonna get some sugar soap wipes so we can wipe down the inside. Probably from what you saw, we cleaned the front fabric of the Caravan. We used our little drill brushes and it worked really well. It's a lot cleaner now. We'll probably have to soak it a little bit. It still looks like it was a bit dirty, but that's alright. We managed to start opening up the flaps in the pop top part, so there's a lot more natural light in there. We had to spray a couple with WD-40 because it was really stuck, so Saf did that while we're driving to the shops. And yeah, we'll come back when we have all the stuff. Thanks. Alright, we got all the good stuff. We got sugar soap to clean the inside, some gloves not to ruin our hands. Got a new extension cord because those other two you saw weren't fitting. So I'm gonna plug this in and hope it starts charging the battery. Ooh. Oh god, alright, they're good. So I tried plugging that in and I realised the plug in the shed isn't a 15 amp plug, so I guess just at Caravan places I'll be able to use it. But, oh well. We'll start cleaning inside. I'll film a little bit, see how it goes. Cool. Alright, were plugged in. Let me actually put you over here because oh shit, this is all fucked up. We're gonna see if this opens now. Hey. Oh, look at that. Oh, opening up. Just a little WD-40, saved it. Oh, this one's stuck actually. Oh, there we go. Boom. Pull it down like that. Get a bit of fresh air in. We got the dogs in here. But we'll also open up this one down here. Hey, little dogs. Oh. Okay, this one's really stuck. Oh, that one is really tough. I don't think that one's coming undone. Try a little bit more WD-40. All the dogs are chilling. Just do that for now. And while that sits, give some of these cupboards just a wipe down with the sugar soap wipes. Dogs are gonna help me. You can see him down here. Sit on the bed. Alright. Put the gloves on. What, dude? Won't leave me alone. I'll come back once I got this on and start cleaning. Right, this is a little wonky, but I figured this is probably the best way for you guys to see it. This is like a pretty dirty cupboard. So getting some of the stuff off. Alright. The stains aren't coming off as good as I thought.
To prepare for painting.
No. It's like, it is good for that, but it's really good for getting stains off the shit. I mean, yeah, I guess it's really good for painting because it gets everything off, so. Looks better, but I mean, if we're just gonna wrap most of it anyway, it doesn't make too much of a difference. We'll do it on the stove. Oh yeah, the extension cord, because it's a 15 amp one, it doesn't plug into the shed.
What does that mean?
It plugs into the Caravan, and it'll plug in on Caravan sites, but doesn't plug in.
Why not?
Because the plug's too big.
Oh.
Because you need a bigger plug for the Caravan, but then the plug's too big for a normal outlet.
You don't have any on the property that?
I don't think so. Dad said he's going to be home soon to have a look, so
Okay.
we'll see.
Why did he take your mum's car?
Yeah. Mum's got a big headache, so she's sitting in bed. Oh, it's dust. Oh, I thought it was like blue. Ooh. Lots of dust. Oh, that's disgusting. Gross. Camera's gone black. Ooh. Bye-bye, ugly carpet. Oh, this is part stuck down. Nope, not anymore. Oh, gross. You just sort of film the inside, so what it looks like. Thanks. Oh, that's disgusting.
I can see you.
So we found we can take all the carpet out, so we pulled all of that out, we vacuumed it, there's lots of dust underneath it. And for the bed we're connecting this, so we have to take out that center table you would have seen, and then we vacuumed it all. Now we're going to sugar soap and scrub the floor to make it clean again, because it's quite musty. Let's crack it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That's satisfying. Oh, yeah, buddy. Cool.
I'm filming!
Alright, we cleaned, we scrubbed the floors. I think Zach filmed some stuff for me, thankfully. But we scrubbed the floors, we got the table out, got all the junk out, everything good clean, so it's a lot cleaner. It looks kind of dirty on the roof and the walls and stuff like here, but we think it's just stained, so we'll probably end up wrapping it or painting it. We'll figure out what's the best solution, but definitely a lot cleaner. I think we could use it if we wanted to right now without being grossed out, so that's a good sign. But yeah, episode 3 done.